Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see beautiful kundan earrings making with very limited materials. Let us get into the video. So as I told you, very limited materials we are going to use: kundans and a hard glue, very lightweighted jhumka base which we usually use for a silk thread, and stone chain, ball chain. So initially with the help of a glue, I'm like drawing a thin layer of a glue for a base line of this jhumka. So as I told you, the main highlight of this jhumka is kundans. Along with the kundans, we are going to decorate that with a stone chain and ball chain. So initially I am giving a stone line here as a base, because initially if we go with the ball chain, there is a chance that it will slip. So that's why we'll go with the stone chain. So once the stone chain is attached, I'm going to give a kundan line like this. These are the square shaped kundans which I took. The same way you can go with the tilak shape also, but the only challenge when you are using tilak shape, you will find the gaps. Gaps in the sense the base color will be visible. So to avoid that, try to take something which will cover the base of our jhumka. So like this, two jhumkas I am finishing with the square shaped kundans. After square shaped kundans, once again I am giving a stone chain. After that stone chain, I am going to give a ball chain line, and one ball chain will not be visible, so that's why I am giving two lines of ball chain. And finally I am finishing this jhumka with one more stone chain line over to this. So usually when we make the silk thread jhumkas, we usually give like top of the jhumka we will give a flower cap. Instead of that, I am going to attach a nice pearl here. So let us finish our second jhumka also. So two jhumkas are finished, and it will take little time to dry. Let it dry. By the time we will finish our stud portion. So to matching with this jhumka, I am going to make a stud using the square kundan as a base. So I taken one transparent sheet and I attached one kundan. Whenever these kind of jhumkas or earrings we are making, when we are making anything in a pair, so I suggest you to go with simultaneously doing both the like numbers in that pair, because once you do one and again giving a gap, second one if you do, there will be a distance problem might form in that making. So that's why simultaneously go with doing the two shapes actually. So kundan, after that stone ball chain, then I am giving a stone chain, then again I am finishing it with a ball chain. I think this much size is enough for my making jhumka. So if you like a bigger stud, then you can go with a big stud also. So this is what the size I am getting with these three lines of making. So it has to dry little time, let it dry. By the time we will just join our jhumka and come back to cut the studs. Join a jhumka, I took a pin, then a flower cap, then over to that, as I told you, to avoid this flower cap, I attached this jhumka with a pearl. Now we are cutting off this stud, and this stud we have to give a provision to hang our jhumka, also a stud pin so that we can use it. So backside, using the hard glue, I am going to attach one hanging hook and stud pin. So it will again take enough time to dry. See, by the time dry, I made so many colors: red, pink, green and white. So in these two models I am going to show you with the stud models, and another two models attachments I am going to show you like a hoops model. So back side of this stud, we are going to attach a canvas paper like this to cover the pin portion and all. So after that, we will open this hanging hook and hang our jhumka. See how beautiful our jhumka turned into. So like this, with the matching kundans, we can make all the matching earrings. Let us see now our second jhumka making. So for this second jhumka making, I am going to take a hoop rings. These rings, and with the help of tools, you open the ring and then go with a matching color. So initially I am making a pink jhumka. So in this also I shown you two varieties. One is with the golden laurels using pink beads. The second green I am using opposite, like golden beads with green laurels. So like this, one bead, then about 20 laurels I am inserting. Then after again one more pink, then jhumka will come in middle, and again one more pink beads, again I am closing with 20 laurels and one pink bead. So this is how I made a hoops jhumka. It is not less beautiful than the other jhumka, very beautifully turned into. Now we will make a green like the same way. As I told you, I am taking this in an opposite way. Beads I am taking in a golden color and laurels I am taking with a matching color like green. Same count, 20 laurels, then one golden bead, then our jhumka, then again 20 laurels. With this our jhumka is ready. See how simple, how beautifully we made these jhumkas. So hope you all like this video. Please do comment your suggestions and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon with our new video. Thank you.